You know that scene in Porky where
Okay, so today we're on an adventure. Basically, we have put our lives on the line for Lukshana's sake because she wants to experiment and
I'm not excited, I've done this before.
She's not experimenting. She wants to cook us food, so we've kindly agreed as we're very good friends. It's right there. What did you grate coconut for?
that guy next to you.
Sunburn.
You look like a Coke bottle. We put our life on the line for Lukshana and her chicken curry, and now Kishore is the one that's cooking it because we don't try. Actually, not checking. Apparently,
I just want to whip it in the kitchen.
apparently, Lukshana is very good at cooking. Okay, Lukshana, rate yourself from like 0 to 10.
8. I'll give myself an 8.
8 out of 10 for cooking.
Yeah, because I've already cooked twice.
So how can you give yourself an 8?
In it, raw. You're not humble at all. At least like a 6. A 6 would have been okay.
I'm better than a 6.
Lukshana, can you let the people know what's on the menu tonight?
No, I'll tell you that when I'm cooking.
Yeah. Do you know what's on the menu?
Yeah, everyone knows what's on the menu. Okay, well, having rice.
You got to make it sound like professional.
Spicy tandoori masala sauce.
There you go. Yeah, yes.
AKA chicken curry.
Yeah, I'm liking this new lens, you know. It's got nice depth of field.
Free Kishore.
I actually got it. I actually got it.
It's a joke.
I've forgotten it. So Blikachu.
Yes.
Why can't penguins fly?
I don't know why.
Because they're a biscuit.
I don't get it.
They're a biscuit, so they can't fly. Penguins.
Oof. Ooh. 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 Gym lad. Ooh. Light work. I don't know what to say.
How old are you today?
How old am I today? I don't know. I'm changing my birthday tomorrow. So today I can be 17. Smile for YouTube. Don't smile for YouTube then. It's not good. Don't watch. I'll find you. Okay, we're going to Lukshana's room. Need to get what are we getting?
Moving this way. I meant this way, man.
You're fun. Watch. Boo, did I scare you? Hi, didn't see you there. Welcome to Blikachu, the Blikachu show. We'll cut out,
Okay, cool.
Today, we're searching for a knife. Hello? We're bringing your butter knife. We tried to ask some roommates.
They laughed at him.
And they laughed at me, so I think we're gonna have to murder some Chinese kids today.
Can you put that in vlogs?
We're coming.
Can you put that in your vlog?
We're gonna have to murder some Chinese kids today. What kind of music do you want? We're not using that. Should we do like a J. Cole type beat? Should we do like a, give me like an artist.
Huss.
J. Huss type beat, yeah? That one, eh? Nebula. J. Huss.
From Avengers.
So this is the beat. That's not bad. That's not bad, you know. It's a bit of a rave. What do you think Lukshana's cookies gonna be like?
I don't know, man. I have to wait and see, innit? It smells good. It smells good. So.
It's because you're not getting fed at home. That's why. You know when you're hungry. When you're hungry, anything smells good. Mom, what are your thoughts?
My thoughts? I think it will be good. It smells good. My bet's on him.
நாளைக்கு வயித்தால போகாம இருந்தா சரியானே எங்களுக்கெல்லாம் முன்னுக்கு எல்லாம் சரியா இருக்கணும் பின்னுக்கு எல்லாம் சரியா இருக்கணும்
Carrot sambar with takali.
Muddy Prod. His Instagram will be right here. Muddy Prod. Go listen to his tunes if you're deaf. This is a taste test, yeah?
Your bad dogs. அப்படியே சாத்தி பூசுற சாத்தி பூசுற
How long are you gonna be there?
Mama starts foaming from the mouth.
Vishnu.
It's nice, it's nice.
I just want to taste it.
And then you guys will
Please don't get Vishnu on the camera.
It's nice.
It's all like trying.
That's bang, that bangs. Apparently Bev does watches YouTube.
Yeah, they do.
Who? Hey, Vishnu, you're looking kind of pink still.
I gave reaction camera.
Have you ever seen someone die on camera?
It's not good.
You've been elected to take this one. Oh, you don't?
No. So why do you call it then? Why do you the mother, not the child?
Are you recording?
No. I'm just looking through the screen because I can't see you.
Okay, my name is Blikachu.
It's your vlog, obviously they know you.
I don't, just to guess, innit? Yeah, and obviously.
It's a bit different today. I'm mad grizzly, look at that.
Vishnu, I'm putting in all the clips of you now, yeah? Yo,
You're hungry,
Okay, so we're gathered here today for Lukshana's dinner. So she's decided that she wants to kill us all. So she's cooked for us. But honestly, I'd like to say a special thank you to Lukshana. For cooking today, for putting all our lives on the line. But I smelled it, it smelled good. Hopefully it tastes good. And obviously we'd like to give a little shout out to our mini assistant who only comes to the last 10 seconds of cooking to make it seem like she actually cooked something. But
She just serves you with eggs.
that's it. La
Don't zoom into
Familia.
my face. Wait, did you even say my name?
It's nice.
All I can remember is Lukshana getting that packet going.
I like it.
Can be table or kind of guy.
Ala camera ki. Camera ki tariyala mama. Lukshana, I approve of your food.
You missed Vishnu's review.
Vishnu's review. Keep Snapchat. Keep 60 seconds. Gosh, I want to eat in peace now. But in the meantime, I'll take pictures of other people eating.